เฮ้ยเจอชนะหรือเปล่าเฮ้ยมาได้ไงเนี่ยเฮ้ย Yeah, like that. It's like lawn ornaments, but no, they're real.
Welcome one, welcome all. This is the Siamerican signing in. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode here at the end of summer 2022. Start of fall, and I've got a backlog of many updates from this summer that I've yet to bring to you, including my recent birthday. Turned 39. Yeah, I know what a lot of y'all are thinking out there. Man, you's young. I don't know, sometimes I feel old, but I definitely feel blessed. Blessed to be a father, blessed to be a son, blessed to be a brother, and certainly blessed to have all of you viewers, strangers, and friends alike out there tuning in to my ordinary yet sometimes exciting life. So sit back and relax. We're going to start this vlog off with an original composition, the backing track, and it's called Red Anthem. Save the talk, it's true, there is no one to blame but you and me and you. It's what we don't do. Spit a second verse as we amplify the hurts on these psychopath eugenicists, contaminating testing kits, vexing Smiths with the goal to extol and toll, control me the whole just to press the lead. ทำไมถึงย้อนทำแบบนี้อดตายบ้านเราต้องพึ่งพวกเขาจนเอาให้ได้ฝ่ายค้านถูกตัดแปลงเพื่อความขัดแย้งเป็นประโยชน์แก่แม่ง So what you gonna do when they come for you saying you got the bug and now your time is due? Get inside of our cage till we give you the needle. Would you be enraged or just take it like the rest of the sleeping sheep? ถึงเวลาที่เราควรคิดดูเมื่อสถานะบ้านเมืองไม่เคยน่าอยู่แต่จะหนีไปไหนได้ไม่ว่าใกล้หรือไกลก็คงหนีความจริงไม่ได้จึงต้องสู้มันให้ไหวไหม Or say bye bye and let it happen and sing their red anthem, or you can sing this song of freedom and liberty. Don't you see the throne? Our sovereignty's at stake. So that was Red Anthem, an original composition which I actually composed like I think close to 20 years ago, and I wrote a new verse and remixed and re-recorded it here recently. There's another verse there which I'll share with you at another time, but what'd you think? So in between all the other things I'm doing, I do try to make some time to get into the studio to record and refine some old and new ideas alike, and I'll bring a lot of those to you in the near future. Any of the backing tracks you hear on this channel are actually all original, unless otherwise stated.
เอาร้องทำไมเอาเจ็บเหรอไปyou're okay ไปโรงพยาบาลไหมมาเร็วI'm gonna win You ready? Come on. Oh, ไม่เป็นไรหรอกYou can do it. Look at you. Oh, look at you going. Oh, good job. Oh, we gotta wipe your face off. You ate some dust just now, huh? Good. I'm winning. Hey, where'd he go? Hey. Hey.เฮ้ยไปไหนเนี่ยฮะเฮ้ยระวังตก อุ้ยเจ๊ชนะหรือเปล่าเจ๊ชนะหรือเปล่าเฮ้ยเดชชนะหรือเปล่าเฮ้ยเฮ้ยผ่านได้ไงเนี่ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยไม่ดูทางเลยเนี่ยเดชชนะเลยเดชชนะเลยไม่มีใครผ่านแล้วเลยเนี่ยเอ้ยเอ้ยเอ้ยเอ้ยไปไหนเนี่ยฮะเจ็บไหมGotta kick, remember? Kick forward and back. Not like that. 2 feet at the same time. Back, forward, back, forward. Hold on tight. Hey, hey.
Just put it like this?
Yeah, like that. That's exactly how we do it. So let me go get the drill bit. All right, sit down over here. Let's do this.
I'm gonna help you.
Thank you. Put it like that. Tighten it there, and then
Whoa!
now we're gonna drill a hole.
This?
Not here, but on the side. I need it on the side.
This side?
So probably about here, okay? Come and help me over here. Stand up.
Okay.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. One more time. 1. Right. That was very not ideal. Plastic's pretty thin, but we got it. But it's gonna be problematic, I bet, leaking. But we've got, here's our bulkhead.
Yeah?
Let me just show the camera our bulkhead. So we've got 1 male, 2 grommets or O-rings there, and it'll seal into here. So basically, no. Come here, don't play with plastic. It's got dirty plastic on it. Okay, so take one off.
Okay.
Take one of the rings off. Just one. Hold it for me, okay?
Okay.
So what we do is from the inside, I'm going to take the male piece and thread it through. Again, this doesn't matter for me. Just slowly. Of course, there's a O-ring on the inside of that. We'll oscillate when we tighten on the outside. Put one on the outside. So hold on, it's coming out here. I'm turning here, and I want you to put it on. Okay. Up. Here. Now let me finish getting it through here. All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, hold on. 10, 9, 8, 7. So let me just show the camera real quick what it looks like inside. So it's tightened there with 1 O-ring. Should seal it from the inside, and then here, come here. Yep, there's the second O-ring. Now put that O-ring on here.
Okay.
Put it here now. Make a proper bulkhead fitting. Okay, and this one, all the way down. Show the camera like that.
Hello,
So
Daddy.
there's 2 O-rings.
Daddy.
And then, come on, now we put this one on here.
Okay.
All right, hold on, wait. Let me start it first.
Like,
Okay, now turn it around. Turn it around like Papa. Yeah.
like a Papa
Turn it around like this. Okay, keep going.
Like this.
Yep, keep going. Turn it around like that, all the way. I want to basically get it tight. You can. I'm gonna tight.
Yeah?
Tight so the seal should.
Look, Daddy! What's that?
ตลกอันนี้น้อง So I reckon it should be watertight. Hole wasn't perfect, but I think it's sealed. So here, watch out, move here, let me show.
Okay.
So basically like that, like that. And our second part of that is we need to connect this exactly like this, and we need to get a pipe. Can you find me a small little pipe? Here, let me get one. Put it in here. Now, where's that other piece? It's here, here. Now this one goes here. Paw Patrol? What does that have to do with Paw Patrol? Looks like Paw Patrol. So basically, it'll be our downspout. Our sealed downspout. So we'll be sitting on top of the fish tank like this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start to equip this bed with media and soil. So the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a layer of igneous rock on the bottom, and I'm probably gonna close that off with some felt, maybe a very thin mesh, basically so I can keep the soil from leaching down, so it'll be layered, I think, but I'd have to make it good, otherwise if I create the false bottom there with felt or mesh above it, you know, if it's not tight, what will happen is that soil will leach down and also be back into the fish tank, so we want to avoid that. Okay, so we've gone with this initial igneous rock layer. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this mesh and put some, what do you call that stuff again? Mulch, so it won't be any larger than this. I'll just shake it out, and then on top of this layer of mulch, basically, you know, roots can access it and grow into it. So we'll go about halfway up, and then I'll put a layer of soil, and that's where basically our initial seedling growth will happen, and the roots can dig down into the mulch. We'll put the soil on top of that. You know what though, actually what I'll probably do is I'm probably going to add a layer of felt over here first, between, but yeah, see, even a little bit of this leaches out. So I've cut a piece of felt, normal hobby felt. I'll kind of add here. So basically the igneous rock serves as a surface, so otherwise it'll be crooked there. So about level with our out pipe. I mean, you could run another pipe in here and drill holes in it, but I thought that was a little bit too much overkill. I do with what I'm doing here anyway, so it won't sit flat. So yeah, you got to size it properly. We want to avoid, not make it easy for it to leach down there. Once it settles, it should be all good. The water flow will just drain like a sponge. Drain, drip out into our fish tank. All right, we're just going to fill it up with this soil under there. And let's see. Top layer sorted there. As long as I don't disturb it too much. A little roly-poly there, huh? As long as we don't disturb it too much, it should settle. Water and drain properly. And this is kind of like a loamy, sandy soil mix. Even a little bit peaty as well, because there is some coconut core there, but should be good for small plants. Usually we just see doe, but there's some bucks here. It's hanging out. It's raining. They're just kind of like hanging out in the grass, these bucks. I don't want to go too close to try to charge me or something, huh? It's like lawn ornaments, but no, they're real. They just pick this spot to hang out, huh? Oh, look at the fishies, fishy. Okay, hold on. Goldfish and guppies. Just drip, drain, filtration.
Daddy. His poop, Daddy. He's pooping out, Daddy.
Yeah, and where will his poop go? It will come over here to the pump. You see the pump?
Yep. Here.
Yeah.
And fish poop in here, right?
Yeah, and it goes up where? Where does it go to? Goes up.
Here.
Up to where?
Here. Yeah, let it fall down like this.
See the waterfall and plants. Now they get to eat the poop because the poop is food for the plants.
Yep. Yep.
Then after they take the food, the clean water drops down and falls down to the fish tank.
Yep.
We're going away for the weekend and sometimes the midday sun without any water if it doesn't rain for whatever while we're gone. It should rain, but we should be alright. But the back of this slow drip, each of these water bottles has, those two have felt pieces, which is almost using the capillary effect to draw water into the felt and the plant. And the other ones slow drip to just hold the little needle on here. So we've got the two main plants there. That's what we're gonna, yeah. Potatoes should be fine, they're hardy. Everything should be good. I mean, it should rain anyway. It's already moist from the last day of rain, so it should be good for a few days. But anyway, we'll see what the water level is in return. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Stay tuned for our next update. Head over to Navajo Reservoir as well as the San Juan River in northern New Mexico to see what the summer scene is like there. It's been my pleasure as usual. Until next time, be true and be you. Signing out. Oh, on a boat. On a boat. We're going to that.
Big. Oh, he's driving.